as we know that a lot of people have lost their jobs in 2020 until now. All that because of the COVID-19. And this pandemic gave us a lesson to be aware for the coming risks and problems which will face us. Unemployment rate has increased frighteningly worldwide. So, many people are looking for jobs to buy food and pay taxes and bills. So, the only people who have not suffered from this pandemic are the online workers. The online works showed us that the internet is the future to get jobs from. And why are you still working normal jobs with low salaries, while the online jobs are available to you and for free? As an online worker, you can work at any time and in any place and without to get commands from managers. All you need is a laptop or a mobile device. And in today's video, I am going to talk about the website that you can earn money from it by doing simple tasks. Let's jump to show you how it works. Here is the interface of the website which calls iRazoo. As you see guys that you can earn free gift cards and cash from iRazoo. And this website has paid their members $119,595,780 in cash until this moment. As you see, it is written that brands pay the website team or management for consumer input. So, they recruit members like me and you. When we do activities at iRazoo, we earn free gift cards and cash. Joining is simple and sign up is free. Start earning now. So, let's show you how to sign up and how this website works. Before showing you how to sign up, I wanna show the brands who pay money to this website. And this money will be paid for members like me and you in order to complete simple and easy tasks for these brands or companies as shown to you on the screen. Which they are, the Crazy Coupon Lady Company, the Yahoo Company, the CNN Company, the Penny Hoarder Company and the Wall Street Journal Company. As we know that these brands are big and famous companies worldwide. Let's show you now how to sign up. Get paid for completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, searching the web, and more. Brands pay us for consumer input. So, we recruit members like you. When you do online activities at iRazoo, you get paid. Activities include surveys, offers, videos, search, games, and many more. Also, earn free points by entering promo codes, completing daily goals and reading our emails. You can join the website with your Facebook account. Or you can create an account with your email. To sign up with your email, you will need to write your email address, first name, last name and password. And click Create Account. After completing the signing up, you will receive mail from iRazoo team asking you to activate your account. After activating your account, you will go directly to your account dashboard. I just signed up 4 days ago. As shown to you that I earned my first 200 points by setting up my profile easily. After you earned the points by setting up your profile, here are a lot of surveys to earn money from. And these are some of the surveys that you can earn 300 points from each survey. After answering your surveys and earning the points, here are other surveys that can pay you passive points. Let's try the household survey. As you saw guys that I answered all the simple and easy questions in this survey. And after I finished the survey, I earned 100 points and directly added to my balance. I really liked iRazoo, and from today I will be an active member in this website. You can do like I did and earn passive points and exchange these points to real money. Now I am gonna show you how to exchange these points to real money. To exchange these points to real money, you will need to click Reward Store as shown to you. After clicking on Reward Store, you will go directly to the Reward Store page. In this page you will see a notice says, when you receive your reward, please note that the email link to claim your reward will expire 30 days from its release date. This information is shown in the email's body, and is displayed as, claim before month, day, year. If you do not claim your reward before its expiration date, the reward and its points are lost. And as you see that the members who live in the United States can exchange their points to real money via all of these methods shown to you. And also the members who live in Canada can exchange their points to real money through these methods. And all the members who live in other countries can exchange their points to real money through PayPal only. In the end of this video, I wanna advise you guys to take a chance to earn passive income from iRazoo website, as millions of people earn money from it. And thank you for watching the video.